Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my Canon. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. I don't think I've done videos like this ever, and I really wanted to bring this new content to my channel because I know that you guys really love when I talk about drugstore products that are affordable. I've been doing a little bit of research and I've been buying a few things for the holidays, for gifts, and for myself. Now we are going to specifically be talking about eyeshadow palettes because you guys know that is my weakness. Plus, on top of that, I think eyeshadow palettes is something that is really cool to be gifted. Like, I love getting eyeshadow palettes. I love when I get makeup in general. So I just kind of wanted to go over that and show you some other palettes that I think are perfect for holiday gifting if you are on a budget. These could be for your girlfriend, your friend, your sister, your prima, your sobrina, whoever it is. These products are going to be not only really good quality, but also a really good affordable price. So with that said, let's jump right into this video and take a look at these newly released products that are on a holiday set at a friendly budget. Don't mind me being all comfortable. I always have to have a cute top on with some leggings. I'm gonna pull up the Milani website, and the reason why I wanted to order specifically from Milani is because A, I know that their prices are going to be really good, and B, I know that their products are really good. So I will be posting screenshots or little like pictures, inserts in the video at this moment. So it's a Gilded Gold eyeshadow palette. Now this is actually brand new. I saw that Trend Mood posted it, and I do have that in my collection. I did order this. This one is $19.99 and it looks like this. The really cool thing about the internet nowadays is that they offer so many options. Again, if you're on a tight budget and maybe you can't pay a bunch of money at once, it's understandable, you know, gifts get expensive. They do offer Afterpay on the Milani website, so you can always make month or bi-weekly payments if you can't, like I said, just dish out a whole bunch of money at once. This is a 15 eyeshadow pan, and I was able to play with it a little bit a few days ago, and I was not disappointed. I am wearing a Milani eyeshadow palette, but it's not this one. I will show you guys later on. This is a $20 eyeshadow palette, which can be kind of steep for just a palette on its own. But if you have ever tried any of the Milani like formulas or anything, their formula does not disappoint. It's very creamy, very like, I don't know, just buttery, I guess. And these have amazing color payoff. This is the shade Ultra Gilded, and as you can see, it is really pretty. This is actually what I have all over my eyes right now, and I am completely obsessed with this one. One thing that I did buy from the Milani website when I was shopping on there is the Gilded Palettes bundle. Again, I think this is such an amazing deal for somebody that is a fan of eyeshadow palettes, or even if you have, let's say you're doing a Secret Santa. I know that me and my sisters and my best friend were doing a Secret Santa, so this would actually be a perfect gift to hand out if you have more than one or two persons to give a gift to, or if you have 4 or 5 sisters. I don't know, if you have 3 or 4 friends that you just really want to gift eyeshadow palettes, I think this is a great bundle. This is the Gilded Palette bundle. This is $70 and it comes with 5 eyeshadow palettes. The hardest thing about this is deciding who you're going to give what palette to. All of these palettes, oh my god, they're so bomb. I did this look using some of the palettes and I'll show you guys which ones I used. But these are so bomb, you guys. The quality, ni se diga, super good. Now, the cool thing about this is that it's not only a eye palette, but it's a face and eye palette. So it comes with 2 highlighters. Color is, oh my god, it is so pretty. And again, the pigment on these, you guys, is just out of this world. It looks blue, but it's more of a shifting color, if my camera can focus. Also, it comes with a mirror, so it's easy to travel. You can just take it, be on the go, do your makeup, look poppin'. Moving on to the second palette, and again, remember that these all came in the $70 bundle. So this one is Gilded Rouge. Okay, so this one is Gilded Violet, Gilded Rouge. Again, same thing, it's a face and eye palette. This one is a little bit warm. It has some berries and it has some pressed glitters down here at the bottom, which are just absolutely stunning. This one would be perfect for somebody that is more bold with their makeup like me. I wouldn't mind wearing glitter like every single day. One thing that I did want to mention is that the pan sizes are relatively small, but if you're using this every day, I mean, I guess you can hit pan on them pretty quickly, but if you're just reaching for it every now and then, I don't see this being a big deal. Next up is the Gilded Noir, which is the black one. This is the shade that I used today, which is called Rococo, and I did mix it with another one, but this is the palette. Now, this one is a little bit more deep. This one is perfect for like nights out, girls' night outs, Thanksgiving if you're doing like a very sultry look. This one is just so gorgeous. Again, you get an array of colors. You get blues, you get greens, you get a gold, you get some browns. I did use this shade down here, which is called Lust, and it is stunning, you guys. They're so creamy. It's what I use to deepen the outer corners of my eyes. It just has so much depth and it's so rich in color that I really like this one. Next one is the Gilded Amber, and this one is probably my favorite. This is the one that I'm also using today. I did use these highlighters on my cheeks today to create a really pretty like luminous highlight, and I really like it. I like that it comes with highlights because it's easy for you just to take your palette, boom, 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 do your eyeshadow, dig into your little highlighters, apply it all over the face, and you're done. Other than that, I think it's a good palette in general. The very last palette that I have here is the Gilded Jade, which is this really pretty green one. I love how they stuck with like a theme of greens and warms and reds and all that stuff. So this is what it looks like. This one again is a face and eye palette. So you get this really pretty like off-white shade, which is just absolutely stunning. Oh my god, look at that. That is so pretty. I'm actually going to take a little bit. As you can see, these can take you from 0 to 100 real quick. I also dug into this one a little bit. I took the shade Edible and I just threw it in the crease. And again, really pretty. The colors are just phenomenal. I just can't say enough about these eyeshadow palettes. Affordable, good quality, blendability is there. So another really good palette that is a face and eye palette. With that said, I did want to also show you guys another holiday palette that was just released by LA Girl. The packaging on this is just absolutely stunning, you guys. I don't remember the name of it, but if you are somebody that is wanting to look for just one big eyeshadow palette for the holidays, look no further. This is amazing. I haven't played with this one yet. I'm not gonna lie. I have not touched not a single shadow. I have used LA Girls palettes in the past and I have never been disappointed by the quality of them. I am gonna do a few holiday looks obviously for you guys, so make sure that you guys are on the lookout for that because I'm definitely gonna be using this palette. Again, this is something that is perfect for anybody that is an eyeshadow lover. This is going to be more than enough. I don't remember the price on this, but I will have it listed either on the screen or in the comment section or in the description box down below. Two palettes that I just wanted to mention, give like an honorable mention really quick because I did spoke on these. This is the brand new Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is their 40 pan eyeshadow palette. I did do a full review. This one is another amazing eyeshadow palette to gift to anybody that is a makeup lover, especially somebody that is wanting to play with color. This is the perfect palette. This will be exclusive to Wet n Wild's website and it's only $19.99. And if you guys saw the video, you know that the quality is amazing. Oh my god, I've been so obsessed with this palette. I didn't mention this one in my last video, but I did want to mention it now. This is also a limited edition palette exclusive to Wet n Wild. I don't remember the price on this one. I think it's like $10 or $15, but this is an all shimmer palette. And this one again is perfect if somebody needs an extra eyeshadow palette that has more shimmer colors, or if you personally just need something else, this is another great buy. And the packaging, it's cute. I'm going to show you something that I got in PR. I know that this isn't like drugstore, but it's still a really good affordable lip gloss set. So if you guys are fans of lip gloss or buxom lip glosses, I threw away the box because I'm a freaking desesperada, but this one comes with 6 lip glosses, mini lip glosses, and then it comes with 2 plumping lip liners. I personally love lip liners, so for me, this would be an amazing gift. This one is going to retail for $39 at Ulta. Colors are really pretty. They have some of the really like popular lip glosses in here. White Russian, Dolly. These 2 are Dolly Danger, Hush Hush. We have Gabby, Dolly, Serena, and Samantha lip glosses, which again, you could just never get enough of the glosses. I also received this Buxom Gold's Mine $29 value set. New shades available plumping lip set. This is what it looks like. It comes with 2 lip glosses and 1 lip liner, and these colors are just like right up my alley. So just wanted to give these a quick mention in case you guys have been eyeing new lip glosses or any Buxom holiday gift sets. Let me know in the comment section down below what other videos you guys want to see. I have some holiday videos in mind, like makeup tutorials, so if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.